Hey, looking for a job in the Philippines? Stay tuned. Hello my friends, this is Bobby D coming to you from Talambong, Cebu, Philippines. I'm having an awesome time in the Philippines today. Hope you are as well wherever you're from. Hey, today I want to talk to you about getting a job in the Philippines. Getting a job in the Philippines. Yeah. Now, today I want to bring to you opportunity of getting a job in the Philippines. There's a company that's hiring right now and they want American nationals. I've been given this information from one of my collaborators and vloggers. His name is Rob White. I want you to check out Rob's channel. It's called RAWTV and Michelle, My Journey to the Philippines. Take a look at that channel and subscribe to Rob's channel. Great guy from the United States, Pennsylvania. Rob and I recently chatted and Rob is very, very excited. They've got a new edition coming. And he's happy about that. But Rob has shared with me, he's American. He did something awesome, guys. He secured a job in the Philippines and he's working here. He's working on a job. It's not a business, it's not a contract. He has an actual job in the Philippines. And guess what, guys? Good news. His company's hiring and he asked me to get this out to you so that you could get it with them. He may be able to get a job assignment. I know so many of you have been wanting to come to the Philippines, but you have no way of getting a job. You have no way of working. Rob's got it. There's an opportunity that Rob White, my friend from RAWTV, has gotten with me to get this out to you guys. His company is hiring. I'm going to leave information where you can contact Rob in the description of this video. I'm going to leave his email address, and if you contact Rob, he's telling me that his company is hiring, so there may be opportunities for employment for many, many people that are looking to get to the Philippines. Alright, that's all I want to let you know from right now. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our video channel for further updates for jobs and a whole lot of other things. In the comment section of this video, I want you to write and tell us what types of things you've been doing to find jobs in the Philippines. That's it for now, guys. Just want to bring that to you. A company is hiring American nationals right now in the Philippines. I have a contact for you. His name is Rob White, a RAWTV vlog video channel on YouTube. And you need to get with him ASAP. That's it for now, guys. This is Bobby D saying take care. God bless.